The reason why people don't like to keep food diaries is it's actually going to change your lifestyle. Well, I have taken care of so many patients in my career, and we know, obesity experts realize that those who keep food diaries or food logs do better in terms of weight loss and weight maintenance than those people who do not keep food diaries. And what I get in clinic is, I really don't have time to keep a food diary, or I forgot it at home, or the dog ate it. The reality is that those people who do not keep food diaries, there's the obstacle right there. The reason why people don't like to keep food diaries is it's actually going to change your lifestyle. Because think about it, if you write everything you eat down, you may think twice, because you know you're going to have to write it down, you may think twice about those 10 cookies that you normally would eat and be able to forget about it. Because the reality is, if you have to write it down, you're not going to forget about it. And that is step one in changing your lifestyle, is to become aware of what you're eating, and that's why food diaries work.